Hey everybody, it's Jeff from New York, and today we are in Las Vegas on the southern end of the Las Vegas Strip at the Mandalay Bay. It's been a while since we visited the Reef Aquarium here, and MGM Resorts was nice enough to give me a ticket, so we're going to check it out today. Ticket prices here vary. If you're an adult and you make a reservation, it's $29. Children are $24, and children under 4 are free. If you just walk in, it's a little bit more expensive. Adults are $36, children are $31, and again, children under 4 are still free. There's also a discount for seniors. But if you do even just a little bit of gambling here at the Mandalay Bay, this is a pretty easy comp to get. But even if you're not a gambler, those prices aren't too bad, especially if you like aquariums like I do. I think I visited an aquarium in every city that I've done for this channel. Obviously, one here in Las Vegas, which we're doing right now. I also did one in New York City, in Coney Island has the New York Aquarium. In Orlando, I did SeaWorld, which is pretty much the same thing. And in New Orleans, they have their own Audubon Aquarium, which I visited too. Videos on all those are available here on the New York channel. But enough about my worldly aquarium travels. We're here in Las Vegas. Let's check out the shark reef here at the Mandalay Bay on the southern end of the Las Vegas Strip. Shall we? That's right, a tropical jungle with an ancient temple loaded with fish is the first thing you think when you're thinking about the Nevada desert, right? Now, before you even enter the Shark Reef Aquarium, there's a couple rules you need to follow. The floors may be wet, so they suggest shoes with non-skid soles, no flip-flops, dress shoes, or heels. And for the safety of the animals, you will be asked to remove your sunglasses, bracelets, and other jewelry. An odd request, but it does make sense. Food, beverages, photography, and video are not permitted. Come face to face with some of the world's most fascinating creatures at Shark Reef at Mandalay Bay. This Las Vegas aquarium is home to 2,000 animals, including sawfish, giant rays, endangered green sea turtles, piranhas, jellyfish, rare golden crocodiles, and, well, sharks. Get close to more than 100 sharks, including 30 in the 1.3 million gallon main tank, one of the largest in the US. Explore 2 underwater tunnels, which we'll see later in this video, and experience Sea Monsters Revealed, the world's largest exhibit of uniquely preserved sea creatures.
猫咪在水里面有看过它们是不是？差别。比这个大。你那次觉得值得吗？我都忘了。有船？哦，你看那里有，看那里有。哇，那这个在哪里绑吗？高标准。
This is Mitzi, the rubber ducky showgirl, who shows up on all my Vegas videos. As most of you know, there are hidden mascots, or some of you call them Easter eggs, in my videos. Mitzi shows up in all the Vegas ones. Sometimes she's easy to spot, other times she's quite elusive, so keep your eyes open while watching the video. If you spot her, note the time in the comments below, and if you're the first one, you'll get a shout out on an upcoming video. And a shout out to Wise Malik, who found Harry Potter's glasses in my latest Universal Studios from Orlando video, Springfield, home of The Simpsons. Congratulations, Wise Malik.
Look, there's the parrotfish. There's the parrotfish right there, baby. That's a parrotfish. Come here, baby. Give your hand. Lots of parrotfish and look down. He's gonna look down. No, we have those at home. They don't be good. You don't want to touch them? There's a little baby parrotfish. Oh, how cute. Baby parrotfish. Sophie, come here, baby. You're too scared. Okay.
So, did you know you could arrange a underwater proposal here at the Shark Reef at Mandalay Bay? You did not. How deep is your love? Make one of your most memorable days even more special with a private tour and a surprise proposal presented by one of the divers here. The hosted 1-hour program includes a guided tour through the exhibits with one of Shark Reef's resident experts. A diver will present a custom marriage proposal to your significant other, and a photographer will capture the unique moment. I think I'm gonna cry. There, I had a moment. Hey, make sure you guys not only subscribe to the channel and click that thumbs up, but check out the community room, that community tab here on the New York channel. If you click on that, it brings you to a place where I do lots of posts. Lots of you guys engage in that room and you leave a lot of comments, and I appreciate that. Lots of information about Las Vegas, Atlantic City, Orlando, some personal stuff. And it's also a place where I post when the next live from New York show is going to be. And if you're watching this, I believe there's one coming this Saturday. So always check that community tab and feel free to leave a comment on any of the posts that are posted there. This is my second time here at the Shark Reef at Mandalay Bay. The first time was about 2 years ago, and I had a great time then as well. And like I said, it's an easy comp to get, but if you can't get the comp, no worries. The price isn't that bad, and you can count on spending at least an hour here. There's a food court, by the way, right outside this Shark Reef attraction at the Mandalay Bay with lots of restaurants, so you can come here with the kids if you're here with kids, or come by yourself like I did today, and you can have a great time. And if you're here in the dog days of Las Vegas summer, when it's 110, 120 degrees outside, there is no place like this place to cool off. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, please like, comment, ask some questions, and most importantly, subscribe by clicking on the button on the left. You can visit all of my New York videos by clicking on the top right, or check out my videos on other favorite places to visit by clicking on the bottom right. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you around the city.